Hey everyone, Gil here, Gray Man Prepping. Time for some more exercising. If you notice, there's a little more pink hue to me. I got the other grow lights going as well because I got so much stuff going on in the garden here. So that's how here I look a little bit more pinker than normal. But let's get at it here and get some exercising done. All right, so that was around about 45 minutes. Did 100 calories on the Gazelle, a mile on the bike, boatload of reps on the weight bench, back and did another mile on the Gazelle, not a mile, another 100 calories on the Gazelle, another mile on the bike, more on the reps. This is my second time out this morning. I'm tired. All right, tonight is the Midnight Ride with Gray Man Prepping on the channel here. That's 10 o'clock Eastern. And we talk about news articles that are in the, even in the liberal news media that are, really exposing their hand to the crap they want to do to us. And then we move on to things that are articles that you guys hear, so you guys can, give links and stuff and talk about news articles of crap going on in your area. And then we move on to whatever everybody wants to talk about. All right, so hopefully I'll see you tonight on the Midnight Ride. In the meantime, stay happy, stay safe, stay prepared, and learn a new skill.